1MBI600PX-140-03 by USComponent.com. The 1MBI600PX-140-03 by Fuji Electric is a high-power IGBT module designed for industrial applications requiring efficient power management. With a current rating of 600A and a voltage rating of 1400V, this module is ideal for inverters, motor drives, and power supplies. It offers low saturation voltage and minimal switching losses, ensuring high efficiency and performance. The 1MBI600PX-140-03 features robust construction for reliability under demanding conditions and an optimized thermal design for effective heat dissipation. This compact module is suitable for various applications, providing engineers with a reliable and efficient solution for high-power control systems. Ready to buy 1MBI600PX-140-03? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.